In today's video, we're going to talk about this new project called 4Chan500. So this is another DeFi project, and you'll be able to get BUSD reflections with their token 4CH5. So this is a community-driven token on Binance Smart Chain, and you can now buy it on PancakeSwap or even check the charts if you wanted to. So this is the pool coin of 4chan. So they do only have 800,000 market cap, which is, I think, pretty much particularly awesome in my case, because this is early if you're going to ask me. And of course, if you haven't subscribed into my channel, please do subscribe. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates from you guys. And also please do subscribe, because there's more than 96% that are not subscribed into my channel right now. So hitting that subscribe button is really a big help for me. Okay, so let's now talk about 4chan on its tokenomics. So I've mentioned before that they do have 10% BUSD reflection, and 2% actually goes to the liquidity. So with 4CH5, you can start collecting cold hard BUSD straight to your Binance Smart Chain wallet or whatever wallet that you're using. And for every transaction, 10% is swapped into BUSD and distributed to all holders. So for every transaction happening inside this platform, you're going to get 10% reflection on it. Okay, that's just what you call that's a tip that you should know about this. So you'll be able to check them on BSC scan, and if you actually look on it, okay, you'll be able to see that there are more than 1,000 addresses that are currently inside this one, and also the contract is also verified. You will be able to see it here. So this is the contract, and you'll be able to see all of the trades inside this 4chan500. So also they have a community. You just going to click this and you'll be able to join it, and there are more than 2,747 members inside this 4chan500 official. So just click join the group and you're pretty much good to go. Okay, so now let's look forward into the roadmap. So this is the roadmap. They actually sent it to me for our reference. So of course, the top shield coins list will be upgrading to include tabs to switch to the top Telegram coins. So long story short, this completed project will allow users to view the top trending coins across all major crypto platforms in one shot. I'm not sure if it is pretty much unique, but the best thing here is that if you're going to buy this, if you're looking for some, probably if you are not, if you're looking for a short-term trade, you can use 4chan. If you're looking for a long-term opportunity, you can also use 4chan500, because this is renounced and transferred into the zero address. So what does it mean if it is renounced? It means that you'll be able to use this, and you'll be able to trade it, and your funds is pretty much safe. Okay, so again, it doesn't guarantee that this is not a rug pull, but it is probably safe because the developer doesn't have any of the money into their hands right now. Okay, so for the roadmap, again, this is the on the Q4, they are launching their coin sniper. They're also going to launch their Telegram shield list liquidity tracker, and they're looking forward to list themselves into CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Also, they're going to announce more tools. There'll also be more expanded marketing into this project, and also market cap. They're going to push further the market cap rather into this project as well. So this is everything that we know about about 4chan, and also this is their Twitter account. I will be putting this one into the description box below so that you'll be able to follow this and also join on this really good, awesome project, guys. Okay, so this is everything that I know. Again, this is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates from you guys, and see you on the next video.